Señora Vaz, con las instrucciones para crear un voki, with instructions for a voki. So I put in your class plan the instructions, the step-by-step on how to create a voki. So you say you can customize your own character. You want to customize your character, how to do it. You're going to choose a free character, very important. There are some that have a star, and I'm going to show you that. So they have a star and they don't get saved. So you cannot use those because then you're going to lose your work. Once you have your character, the one that you want, you're going to add a voice, and you need to change your your keyboard to Spanish. If you don't have your Spanish keyboard in your computer, I am going to help you to do it, to change your Spanish key to a Spanish keyboard. And previous to that, you have the required information for the voki, what we're going to put in the voki. So this is what I want. I say a greeting, your name, your age, where you're from, and a goodbye expression. Is this in Spanish, Mrs. Bass? Is this in Spanish? Yes, it is in Spanish. So how do you do that? You go to the Vocabulario Nuevo Uno, that I put the link here, but it's also on your home page, on Canvas page. And then you select a way to say hello, any of the ways that we have learned. And then it says there, your name. So how you say your name? My name is Me llamo. And then you're going to say your age. And here is how you say your age. Then you're going to say where you're from. You're going to say where you're from, right there. And last but not least, a goodbye expression. So you just use one of the goodbye expressions that you have learned. Okay? So once you have your text, you can create your voki and you're going to give it a voice. I'm going to show you everything in a minute. You select the voice that fits your voki, please. I'll show you what I'm talking about. You can change the background, that's optional. Then I'm going to show you how you're going to save it and how you're going to submit it. Of course, you have to submit it on Canvas because we're using the free stuff. And if you don't submit it on Canvas, you're going to lose it. Okay. And I put some very, very good recommendation here. If you copy the URL of your voki that is up here, you're going to lose it. I'm going to show you. And these are the special characters that you're going to use for your Spanish keyboard. So your voki sounds good. Let's try this. So the first thing that is telling you is to go to voki. So we're going to voki.com. And bring us here. Right here, you're going to click on create. And it gives you the options to pick your voki. I'm going to move this up here. So that's a voki right there. You see this star here? That star shows that it's premium. It's showing there it's premium. That means that we had to pay for that, and we're not going to pay for this. We want the free stuff. So we go here to characters. Oh, there is somewhere here a dice. Okay. Just go here. Oh, there is the dice. So you click on the dice, it gives you a random new character. But once again, it has a star. One more time. This one does not have a star, so you could use this one if you want. But we're going to just go here and check. There are different topics that you can pick from. Different topics. Or you can just have all the characters. So they are like by theme, but you can also see all the characters. So you can see the ones that have the star you cannot use, but you can pick one that does not have a star. For example, let's pick small one. I'm going to find this one. Then you can play with it. You can change the outfit. Let's say we're going to do something formal. So I put something formal for her. Let's change the hair. She can have black hair. She can have it up if she wants. I like that one. Not like this one. And then you can use accessories. Accessories. There are no hats available. Glasses, yes, glasses available. I like the ones that she has. No, the ones she had were looking good. No. So you can play with it. She looks fancy on those. I love the pink ones. That's right. I like those. Jewelry. You can change the jewelry. She's wearing something, but you can have something else. I think I like that. This is to change the mouth. I like that one. And then props. I don't know what. Oh, okay. We don't want that. Nope. Nope. But you can. There are more. Oh, look at this. I can put a pair on her. I'm going to leave it there. And now we can change the background. She looks like she's in a party. Let's put her at school, maybe. How about in the house? Oh, that's like a haunted house. No, we don't want her in a haunted house. We don't want her scared. You can pick the city, or there are several. These are parts in the house. I like that. That looks peaceful. And you have different things that you can pick from here. Look, this is some from school. Let's do the house. Back to the house. Yeah, there is the one that I like. And finally, I can change the color of her mouth. I can put different color. I can change the color of her eyes. You cannot really see them. I can change the color of the skin. Right there. The color of her hair can be black. I really like the one that she had. I messed it up. And then the makeup. So you can make it more intense. But anyway, that's just to show you that you can play. Once you pick the character and you have the character you like, then you can save it. Or no, you're going to give it a voice first. What do you give for the voice? You're going to say, you're going to type what you did here with the name, the greeting name, that stuff. So you're going to go there. So you can say buenos días. Buenos días. Me llamo Carla. Tengo 11 años. Special character. Soy de Carolina del Norte. Hasta pronto. You need to spell this right so she can pronounce it right. And you may notice that I put a period every time that I write a sentence, so she doesn't speak the whole thing at the same time, but she just leaves spaces like pauses. So let's hear how she talks.
Buenos días. Me llamo Carla. Tengo 11 años. Soy de Carolina del Norte. Hasta pronto.
So you may have noticed that she didn't pronounce the words like, it doesn't sound like Spanish, and it is because of this. So it's English here. We need to find Spanish. So I'm going to find Spanish here, right there.
Buenos días. Me llamo Carla. Tengo 11 años.
Now, that voice doesn't sound like match the picture. And it's because I got Carlos instead of Carla. So we are going to find for a girl. I'm going to find a girl that is from this side of the world instead of Europe. So I'm going to put a Mexican voice for my character.
Buenos días. Me llamo Carla. Tengo 11 años. Soy de Carolina del Norte. Hasta pronto.
Okay, now I have the character, I have the voice, I can click save. When I click save, my character has my name, save, and it gives me, well, it says no thanks. Here, I'm going to click on this little chain that is the link. I'm going to copy the URL, copy URL. It says URL copy. It is copied already. You do not have to click here. It is copied already when you click copy URL. If you copy this, you're going to lose your character. It takes you back to the site. Okay, copy URL. You go back to the assignment. You click on the button that says start assignment, and then you submit the link. So it's just paste there. What happens, Miss Bass, if I copy this? Just to let you see. I copied that one. I'm going to paste it there. When Miss Bass opens, this is what's going to show. So your character is gone because it takes you back to create. All right, I think that's it. You submit that. Do not copy that link from the top, the URL. You're going to copy the URL that is giving you right there, where it says copy link. And I can help you during class if you need help. Nos vemos. Adiós.